Welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to edit your resume information in the Instawork app to keep your profile accurate and improve your chances of getting hired for shifts. First, open the Instawork app and tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your work history, skills, certifications, and other important details. Next, look for sections like Work Experience, Skills, and Certifications. Tap on each section to view and edit the information. For example, in the Work Experience section, you can add previous jobs you've held, update job titles, or remove outdated positions. In the Skills section, you can add new skills relevant to the types of shifts you want or remove skills you no longer want to highlight. It's important to keep your profile up to date with accurate details, because Instawork uses this information to match you with suitable job opportunities. Be sure to double-check for any typos or outdated information before saving your changes. After making edits in each section, tap the Save or Update button to ensure your changes are stored. You can update your profile as often as needed to reflect your latest experience and qualifications. Remember, Instawork doesn't support uploading a traditional resume file like a PDF. Instead, all your resume details must be entered and edited directly in the app's profile sections. Keeping your profile current helps businesses see your qualifications and improves your chances of being selected for shifts that fit your skills. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.